Good morning, everyone. I again welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic of discussion is domestic installation. So, we will learn about some basics of installation of our domestic wiring. So, this is the problem that we will discuss. That is the wiring diagram with following connections. First of all, it's the energy meter, then main switch, distribution board, then four subcircuits out of that distribution board. On subcircuit 1, we will connect lamp with two-way switches. On subcircuit 2, there will be two bells connected. On subcircuit 3, there are two number sockets, 3-pin sockets, and one fan. And for sub-circuit 4, there will be one fan, one lamp, and one 3-pin socket. So this is the wiring diagram. As we all know that for our domestic wiring, we get the input of 230 volt if we are talking about single phase wiring. So here we have shown connections for single phase wiring only, that is one phase and one neutral. It is not for three phase wiring. So for single phase wiring, the voltage that we will assume is 230 volt. So first of all, there will be the energy meter. Neutral and phase are taken as input, and then neutral and phase are taken as output from that energy meter. Energy meter will measure the energy, that is kilowatt hour. So it will measure the units consumed by us, and accordingly the bill will be generated. Then this output from energy meter will go into the main switch, that is the main switch for whole installation. So this is the main switch, phase and neutral. Then the output from this main switch will go to the distribution board. So on this distribution board, we have connected one two-pole MCB, that is phase and neutral. Both are controlled by this MCB. As you can see, phase and neutral will go into this switch, and then phase and neutral are coming out as an output. So this is two pole MCB. Then is the ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker. So MCB is used for protection against short circuits and overload conditions. But for leakage currents, these MCBs will not detect those conditions, that is for leakage currents. So phase and neutral will go to the ELCB, which will protect our installation from leakage currents, that is milliamperes rated currents. For example, there will be the leakage between phase and neutral, and it will go to the body of the equipment that we are operated on. So to save you can say, to save ourselves from those electric shocks that are from leakage currents, ELCB will protect it. So from main switch, that is two pole MCB, phase and neutral will go to ELCB, that is earth leakage circuit breaker. Then from earth leakage circuit breaker, the phase and neutral will go to the phase will go to the bus bar, as you can see the connection, and the neutral will go to the neutral link. So when we have given this phase to the bus bar, then you can get the phase connection to all the other sub circuits also, as they are internally connected. And the neutral will go to the neutral link. So we can take the neutral output from that neutral link. So here, as we have seen in the question, that we have to connect the 4 number sub circuits. So we have taken 4 points for this distribution board. That is, we have selected here 4-way distribution board. So from that bus bar, the 4 MCBs, single pole MCBs, are connected in phase. So we have taken one phase from here and then given to the sub-circuit 1. So sub-circuit 1 we have connected. For example, you can see here on left hand side, it is one lamp, one fan, and one 3-pin socket. So we have connected 3 switches. the phase we have taken from the distribution board, we have given to the switches, to all three switches we have given. So one switch the phase will go to lamp, and from another switch phase will go to the fan regulator, because fan regulator is connected in series with the switch. And then third phase, that is the phase from the third switch, will go to the one point of the 3-pin socket. And the neutral is connected. We have taken neutral from the neutral link. We have connected all these three devices, so that circuit will be completed. Then for second sub circuit, there is one 3-pin socket and one lamp, sorry, two 3-pin sockets and one lamp. So three switches we have connected in sub circuit 2. So we have taken phase from the second single pole MCB and given to the three switches, given to these three switches. And then connection from switch 1 goes to the right point of the 3-pin socket, and second switch connection goes to the lamp, and then third one to the socket. And again, neutral from the neutral link will connect the neutrals of these three devices, that is two 3-pin sockets and one lamp. Again, in the third sub circuit, we have to connect two bells. So two bells are connected by push buttons from bus bar. Third, we have connected two push buttons to the phase wire, and then from this push button the bells are connected, and then neutral link is given, neutral from the neutral link has given to these two bells. Then the fourth sub circuit is the lamp, which is connected by two-way switches, that is the staircase. For example, from switch 1, here you can see there are two positions on which the pointer can be. For switch number 1, you can switch on and off this lamp from any of these two positions. For this one lamp, we have connected two-way switches. Let us assume that the 2 points of one two-way switch, for one two-way switch there are two connections, 1 and 1 dash, means there are two positions, and for second two-way switch the two positions are 2 and 2 dash. So you can switch on and off from any of these two switches as per these connections. So here you can see these connections. On the top, that is the neutral link. In the center you can see this is the DIN rail. All the MCBs, single pole MCBs, will be connected to this DIN rail, and then the connections will be provided to the sub circuits. On the very right side you can see it is the earth link. So earth wire can be given to any of the point of this earth link, and then the earth wire can be taken to the sub circuits. So here it is not connected, but on neutral link, neutral wire is connected. So phase is also not connected through MCBs. So this is the bus bar. So all the MCB board will be connected by this bus bar. So these are MCBs connected. Here we have not used that bus bar because all the MCBs that we have used here are of different sizes. So if we want to use bus bar for these MCBs, all the MCBs should be of same company, or you can say of the same size. So it was not possible here. So we have used different MCBs here. So the phase is given by a wire, not through the bus bar. So on the left hand side you can see double pole MCB, that is the main switch. Both phase and neutral go through this MCB, and then neutral goes to the so here ELCB is also not connected. If we want to connect ELCB, After the main switch, that is double pole MCB, ELCB will be connected, through which phase and neutral will go through, and then the output has been taken from the ELCB, then phase to the bus bar, and neutral from ELCB to the neutral link. So thank you so much for listening. So this is all about the basics of our domestic installation.